Hey everybody, this is Nona, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, and notary public. So right now I got this fantastic looking home over here from Mattamy, and I am over in Meridian Park. This is out in the Lake Hart, Lake Nona area. Check this home out. I love it. It's very different looking. Now, if you are interested in this home or any other home, as always, please do contact me first before you contact any home builders. Home builders do pay for you to have realtor service, and it's free to you. It does not cost you anything, any extra, anything like that. Sometimes as simple as contacting the home builder through their website, emailing them, texting them, and definitely entering the sales office will avoid it. Now, why is that bad? Well, the first thing is that it's a free service that the home builder is offering to you. The second thing is that the sales teams at home builders everywhere are working for the home builder. It's in the contract. But having me as your realtor, I'm your home buyer's agent, so I work for you and I represent you in the process. Okay, so let's have a look over there when you first walk in. A lot of upgrades in this house, that's for sure. Just looking at the floor, looking at the walls. Okay, so let's have a walk around in this home. Now, I have not been inside this home yet. Okay, so this is probably your garage. Garage
door open.
Excellent. Yeah, nice size garage. Let's see what we have over here. It looks like there's some kind of underneath the stairs storage out here. Oh, very nice, very nice. I like that the island does not have a sink.
We make places you will be proud to call home. Step into a home you get value for a lifetime.
Fantastic. Let's check this kitchen out a little bit more. Yeah, I like it. Nice that the sink is over here, and if you had this pool in your backyard, I mean, how great is that? You could just look out that window and enjoy the view.
Step into Mattamy. Step into a quality home you get value for a lifetime. Step into a home where you will see those first few steps. A home that will welcome your family at every stage. A home that will enhance your quality of life.
Over here there is another countertop. Got a wine fridge. And here's your pantry, and it kind of goes in there a little bit behind the wall. Yep, and a little bit as well on the other side. Beautiful pool.
Parklands that fit your lifestyle. Because at Mattamy, we don't just build families growing.
I'm going to show you this from the opposite corner.
And find a home big enough for everything you love. Mattamy offers homes in the most desired locations, suitable for all the ages and stages of your life. You know what you want. Mattamy listens. We personalize your home. Our architect's choice options enable us to deliver the best value to you. Discover different designs, new styles and finishes, all crafted to work comfortably within your budget. Step into a better home buying experience.
Okay. Interesting. So when you first come up the stairs, we have a loft over here on the right. I am standing about 3 steps down. What do we have here? So this bedroom is very large. Okay, so we got a super large bedroom over here. Okay, so it connects across with a bathroom. I just want to show you the closet first before we go through that bathroom. You see there's a good amount of space in there. Here's your toilet and your bathtub. This bathroom area has a nice feeling of some space to it compared to a lot of homes where the bedrooms are connecting into a bathroom. Basically, that one could be a master as well if you just close it out to the other bedrooms. Let's check out the closet. Another bedroom. So far, all the bedrooms in here are nice large size. Closet looks like it covers about, I'm gonna say 70% or 75% of the wall. So it stops somewhere before that outlet down there. Air conditioning room is to the left. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, this is beautiful. Just gonna back up. Must be some kind of master over here. Beautiful room. I like this entranceway. Oh, closet. Was not expecting that. We have another closet across the way over there. Maybe a bit of an isometric view. Now let's go check out that closet. Very good, plenty of shelves. And this will show you all the floor space in there. So that closet's a lot larger than this closet. Not that this closet is so small by any means, but to have two closets in one bedroom is awesome. Let's see, I don't think I got this. So I got a whole closet here, and I got it set up for towels. Let's go check out your laundry room. Okay, so I do really like this home. I think it's an awesome home. I just want to give you a little bit of a showing with me walking in it so you can see what it looks like. For those that like to see the size comparison with a human standing in the room, I know it does look very different. So this is the master bedroom. You can see just how much space is in this area. Really big room. That's an area I could step into the, nope, I'm not gonna step into the closet. I'm actually gonna walk into the master bathroom for you quickly so you can see it. This home definitely has a very different feeling about it. Feels more like a vacation home than a residential home. I like it though, because I really like vacation homes, how they're set up. And I know that vacation homes are set up for maximum rental income, but I just like it because to me, the more bathrooms that are attached to bedrooms, the better. So just gonna give you a quick showing of me here in the living room as well. Here's your living room, your kitchen area.
Your family's growing. It's time to take that next step and find a home big enough for everything you love. Mattamy offers homes in the most desired locations.
The only thing that I would have liked to have seen it in a home this size would be a full bedroom or a full bathroom at least on the first floor. There's that half bathroom over there, and it's quite possible that there's an option in the floor plans for it as well. I haven't looked at it, like I said. I just like to come in and see these things from the start. And please do check out my website at wintergardennew.com. You can always find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of each page if it's listed on the MLS.